Okay, so let's look at again, ago, and all. So again, 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 and again, and again. Another time, once more. He keeps saying that again and again. I am going to go to Spain again in the future. I want to go to Mexico again, but I'm not sure when. Do you want me to say it again? I will say it again if you need me to. I want to go to the gym again, but I'm not sure when. Ago. Time before now. What was earlier? I was there a long time ago. I was last in Scotland 10 years ago. I was reading that 1 month ago. Very nice. All. The entire amount, like 100%. 100%. I have read all the books. I have read all the books. I need to read all the books. I know all the answers. Have you watched all the videos? I have recorded all the videos. I want to read all of Shakespeare's books. All. 100%. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Again, again, ago, all. How cool is that? Let's keep exploring.